Okay, good. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to just do some crocheting. We could crochet together because I have a market in a few days. It's already like 3:30 p.m. today, so I don't really have much time, but we'll see what we can make at the end of the day. So go grab your hooks, grab your yarn, and let's crochet together for a few hours. I have like a list here of what I need to make. It's really messy, I'm not gonna show you, but let's just get through as much as we can. Here's some of the yarn that I'll be needing today. I plan to make a few different plushies, so let's get started. Also guys, I'm gonna remove my watch because I don't know if you all know this, but it tracks your crocheting as if they were steps. I found this out and I was like, oh my god, I feel like I'm cheating if I just keep crocheting, because I could get like 10,000 steps just from sitting and crocheting all day, so goodbye. We're using a 6.5mm hook today. This is what I use for most of my plushies. By the way, do you guys hold your hooks like a pencil grip or like a knife grip? I think those are the only two grips, unless there's more that I don't know of. But I use a pencil grip. But I do know a lot of people that make amigurumi will go with a knife grip because apparently you have more flexibility. Like, you can move your crochet hook a lot better and get into like tighter spaces. But I find that really uncomfortable. I do use it if I'm working in like tighter spaces where there's not a lot of wrist movement that I could do, because a pencil grip I feel like you definitely need a lot of space to move your wrist, whereas this requires a lot less space down here. Comment down below like what grip do you guys use? Okay, I've made all the parts for the turtle shell, the head, and the legs. Oh, I think I'm missing one leg. Let me make that real quick. Okay, finished. These are all 4 of the legs, and I'm going to assemble them. Also, I love watching Stephanie Sue when I'm crocheting. This is my setup, by the way. I use Notion a lot and Excel to track like inventory or track all my patterns and my schedule. If you do want to see that, or you want to learn how to set up your own system, let me know and I can make a video on that. first one done. If you guys want the pattern for this, let me know and I can make a tutorial. This next one is going to be an ube matcha latte. It's actually a lot later now. It's like 6:30. I got really busy with other things, but I'm really hungry and I'm getting really cranky because that's what happens when I get hungry. So I'm eating rice. I also have a mango probiotic from Coco's. I got it earlier today and I'll be back. Okay guys, it's the end of the day and I finished crocheting. I made a total of 4 plushies. I wanted to make more, but I just got busy somewhere in the middle. But anyway, I was able to make a turtle, an ube matcha ice latte, a panda plushie, and a little bow plushie. Here's all 4 of them right here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know if you guys want the patterns to any of these, because I do have them available either on YouTube or in my online shop. See you guys in the next video.